Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
How XRP's next test will set it up for the next week. After its latest bullish rally, XRP broke out of its down channel, yellow, and entered the 75 cents to 82 cent range. However, it still stayed below its 200 EMA, yellow, maintaining its long-term view as a downtrend. As the month-long supply zone stands firm, XRP will eye a test of its trendline support near the 20 EMA, red, and continue its squeeze phase before a possible breakout. At press time, XRP was trading at $0.806, down by 1.31% in the last 24 hours. XRP daily chart. Since reversing from the $1.30 level, XRP fell within a 3-month-long down channel, white, until breaking out from it in early February. As it fell below some critical supports, now resistances, the alt hit its 11-month support at the 60 cents level. Since then, it has registered a 55.08% ROI between 3 and 8 February as it formed a bullish flag and broke out of its down channel, white. Over the last 3 months, the immediate trendline support, white, dashed, has offered strong support for the buyers, thus, enabling the recovery of its 20 EMA above the 50 EMA, cyan. Now, with the bears keen on rejecting higher prices above the 82 cent mark for the last month, XRP could see a near-term drop towards the 77 cents level. Following the same, while the 20 EMA kept rising above the 50 EMA, the bulls would most likely take over and propel another rally towards its 200 EMA. On the flip side, any gradual fall below its 2050 EMA would open up chances for a pattern breakdown. Rationale. The bullish RSI has corresponded with the price for the most part as it grew in a rising wedge, white, above the midline. Now, defending the lower trendline support of the wedge is crucial to prevent a fall towards the 50 mark. Further, the OBV pictured lower peaks over the past month while the price diverged with the indicator. This revealed the underlying bearish tendencies. Nevertheless, the ADX flashed a weak directional trend for XRP. Conclusion. With the recent decrease in trading volumes and a bearish divergence with the OBV, XRP braced itself for a test of its point of control, POC, red, before continuing its patterned oscillation. Any close below the $0.77 $0.75 range would affirm a selling signal. Additionally, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis. Top cryptos to watch right now: Avalanche, AVAX, Ripple, XRP, and Firepin, FRPN. When entering the world of cryptocurrency, it's reassuring to acknowledge that all participants have an equal chance of achieving financial success. However, it's necessary to realize the potential dangers, as serious losses can also be made. This is why it's crucial to always carry out thorough research on what projects are worth investing in. To help you make an informed decision, and potentially build your path to becoming a crypto millionaire, here are 3 credible coins to look out for in the crypto market right now: Avalanche, AVAX, Ripple, XRP, and Firepin token, FRPN. First up, Avalanche Network, AVAX, is a blockchain platform that is smart contract capable. It has a unique appeal for buyers of financial assets around the world due to its high transaction security and speed, scaling at 1 trillion per second. The AVAX team designed an efficient solution to address the top issues that plague blockchains. For instance, only very few blockchains allow for cross-platform trading of various types of cryptocurrency and data. Thus, Avalanche, AVAX, allows distinct blockchains to share data and essentially interoperate with one another. In addition, its price prediction for 2026 is $940.939, indicating long-term growth. With a 5-year investment, one can expect an increase of approximately 776%. Overall, its central purpose is to keep everything within a Layer 1 protocol that is entirely decentralized, scalable and secure, which verifies its status as a notable investment. Another prominent coin in the crypto space is Ripple, XRP. This business-oriented cryptocurrency promises to provide a quick and cost-effective means to move money across borders by also allowing tokens to be exchanged without the need for a middleman. Since launching in 2012, its price prediction is now expected by analysts to reach a value between $4 and $6 by the year 2025, illustrating a tremendous potential growth. Furthermore, Ripple, XRP, recently announced a $1 billion XRP grant for developers working on the distributed ledger, in the hopes of encouraging innovators and developers to design projects that follow Ripple's XRP payment model. This news alone has already led its price and value to rise by 7% in just the past week. On a final note, crypto investors should take note of the emergence of Firepin token, FRPN. FRPN introduces a variety of unique concepts. For example, holders will have access to 5 major smart contract networks: Binance, BNB, Ethereum, ETH, Polygon, Matic, Solana, SOL, and Avalanche, AVAX. Thus, providing investors with the freedom to move between the 5 to locate the most cost-effective and fastest network. A further admirable quality is that its team revolves around the concept of community. Its white paper reveals that the project aims to become a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, meaning that token holders will have a say in future decisions. Thus, demonstrating its vision of establishing itself as a completely transparent and decentralized system based on trust and community. To succeed in the metaverse requires being strategic in the timing of your investments. Investing in emerging ventures with significant utility is your best bet for incredible long-term returns. So, FRPN is an ideal option since it's only in stage 1 of pre-sale, and crypto experts have already estimated growth of about 1,400% in the upcoming months, illustrating a rise from 0.00006 to 0.00013. From this, it's clear that there is a vast expansion to expect in its journey. Despite what experts have predicted, remember that nothing is ever guaranteed in the metaverse. However, these 3 cryptos will surely boost your chances of being financially successful, especially FRPN, which is very likely to explode in time.
97 out of 500 news price rises accounts for around 20% of the data. It was observed that 40% of BTC/ETH moves resulted in $XRP moves. Last time I checked, 40% is more than 20%. In the most recent event in the SEC v. Ripple case, the plaintiff filed its response to Ripple's motion to strike the Met's supplemental expert report. The very dispute is taking place because the court allowed each expert witness to submit a report and then a rebuttal report only. The SEC, however, chose to add a supplemental report, which can be interpreted as a second rebuttal, hence Ripple's motion to strike. SEC's triple fail, proper procedure, deadline, and basic math. The SEC is now arguing that the rules governing motions to exclude expert discovery favor the plaintiff, and precluding the supplemental report, a statistical analysis of the economic significance of Ripple's news announcements, would confer an unwarranted advantage on the defendants. In conclusion, the agency believes the opinions by Dr. Metz should not be stricken nor precluded. What a poorly written response. It's repetitive, a sign of the weak argument. It wrongly accuses Ripple of failing to follow proper procedure when the failure was the SEC's, and, almost comically, offers to consent to reopening a deadline the SEC blew, commented attorney James K. Phelan, who is following the case. It is not only the SEC's inconsistencies in response to Ripple's motion to strike that are coming under fire. The report itself has been found to fail at basic math. Twitter user @XRpArsenal pointed out that 97 out of 500 news price rises accounts for around 20% of the data. It was observed that 40% of BTC/ETH moves resulted in $XRP moves. Last time I checked, 40% is more than 20%. In addition, 40% of the 7 years that were analyzed equates to 1,022 days. 10x the amount of days that Dr. Metz states that $XRP was subject to positive movement due to Ripple news. These stats just serve to prove $XRP is more bound to the wider market than Ripple. Below is the transcript of the SEC's statistical findings on XRP news. In his initial report, Dr. Metz was asked to analyze XRP's price movements and assess whether actions by Ripple impacted XRP's price. Accordingly, Dr. Metz conducted an event study that identified more than 500 separate news announcements by Ripple, or news items about Ripple linked to Ripple's website, and employed a scientifically accepted statistical analysis to examine whether the price of XRP increased in response to several categories of positive news about Ripple or XRP. Dr. Metz found that the price of XRP rose significantly in response to 8 key milestone events, 5 listings of XRP on new trading platforms, 77 Ripple customer and product developments, and 7 Ripple commercialization initiatives. Dr. Metz also identified 105 days in which positive Ripple news events were correlated with significant abnormal, positive, XRP price returns that could not be explained by random chance. Finally, Dr. Metz examined the relationship between XRP prices and the prices of Bitcoin and Ether, in order to determine whether the price movements of XRP over time followed the price movements of those other tokens. Dr. Metz concluded that, between 2014 and 2020, the price movements of those two tokens, BTC and ETH, were correlated with only 40% of XRP's price movements.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.